In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload courses in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know how to set up your course structure, upload videos and files, brand the experience, and make your course accessible through an offer. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. Click the official site result, then choose the option to log into the app. On the sign-in page, enter your email and password, or use the Sign In with Google option if your account is connected. Once you're in, look for the account switcher. Click the prompt to switch, then choose the specific sub-account where you manage memberships. This is important because memberships and courses live inside sub-accounts, not the overarching agency view. Next, go to Memberships, then Products. Think of a product as the container for your course. Click the button to create a new product. With your product created, begin structuring your content. Use Add Submodule for your main sections, like modules or chapters, and use Lesson for individual videos or text-based posts. Clear naming helps learners navigate, and you can reorder items as your outline takes shape. Open any individual lesson to edit it. For video content, Go High Level includes built-in hosting, so you can drag and drop your MP4 files directly into the video area, no external host required. For a professional look, upload a lesson thumbnail. A 1280 by 720 pixel image works well across devices. Use the body content editor to add instructions, helpful links, timestamps, or even a transcript for accessibility. If you have supporting materials, attach PDFs, worksheets, or zip files so students can download them. Keep file names descriptive so learners know exactly what they're getting. When your lessons are set, click Customize at the top of the product page. Choose a theme. The newer themes provide a clean, modern layout that feels familiar to learners. In the theme editor, adjust brand colors, fonts, and headers so the course experience matches your company's style. Preview your changes to confirm readability and contrast. A crucial note: your course won't be accessible until it's tied to an offer. Head to Memberships, then Offers, and create a new offer. Select the course or courses you want to include in this package. Choose whether the offer is free, a one-time payment, or a recurring subscription. Subscriptions require a connected Stripe account. Once the offer is published, share the offer link directly with users, or set up an automation that grants the offer after a form submission. Test the link in a private browser window to confirm the learner experience. That's it. Your course is ready to go live and Go High Level.